American company, the newly bought American company, to spend 1 month over there. I get an SMS from my brother saying that got an office in Fort, so I next to Cathedral. I said, but that's where I am, next to Cathedral. But I said, it must be the other side. I got it on this side. It must be got it. Tabhi, I didn't even pay attention. I came back and I rang up the landlord. I said, the Brinda went in the. She said, no, she opted out of the fourth floor. I said, why? What happened? She's saying the banks were not giving her a loan against that whole fourth floor because the papers are not regular. It was a difficult, this thing with old buildings, the papers are not regular, the BMC is not renewed, the lease are not. I spent 5 months to make a foolproof agreement. If the BMC does not regularize, then I should be protected, I should be protected, all the things. I had cornered everything. It took me 5 years to make that agreement and get that office. So I was so sure that no one else would go through so much trouble, whatever. So, but I had shown my agreement to Brinda. I said, see, this is the lawyer who chopped up everything. But her bank couldn't give her a finance on that kind of a thing. It was quite shaky, and the BMC's lease was not renewed and things like that. So I said, if you have not, then who got it? So I rang up the owners. The owners were in Delhi. They said, अरे आपके भाई ने लिया. I said, क्या? So I said, fourth floor लिया. So he said, नहीं, fourth floor अभी लिया है. उनको first floor आपके सामने चाहिए. So I said, लेकिन first floor पे तो वो lawyer है. नहीं, वो lawyer तो छोड़ रहा है. I said, पर उसने मुझे बोलना चाहिए. तो lawyer said, अरे you were not there, so I told your brother that I am not interested in that first floor office. So he took it. Oh God. So now I have me and I have my brother right across each other. No, but we are very good friends. We are still a family and we still eat lunch together. But he's doing his own thing and so am I.
So actually the context was really about, this like brother and a business partner, if you will, right? How that has worked.
But now I have a business interest in America, which he doesn't have. He took up the chemical plant in Nashik. Which was backwardly integrating chemicals and all. Dabur was not interested in that. He took up that, and I took up this Michelle thing. So both of us have got different. He's doing chemicals. That is more like his life, and I'm doing cosmetics, which is more like my life.
What are the products of the Michelle?
Oh, Michelle products are very, very many. We have ethnic market there for Black Americans, again fairness creams, fairness soaps, lotions, etc. But we have universal products also for skin polishing, for melasma, for dark freckles, for wrinkles, for blemishes and all kinds of skin problem solving products. Then by the name of, you can look up OMIC, OMIC. Other Mitchell International Cosmetics, or you go to www.mitchellbrands.com and mitchellcosmetics.com. You get the whole pages of it. I have cards of Mitchell if you want to.
I think we'll stop here. It was a wonderful evening with you.
Thank you. I enjoyed speaking to all of you, and if I've managed to inspire even one person, I'm an average Maharashtrian girl. And I'm sure you all are much better than me, and you all can reach places if you want to. If I manage to put that spark in any one of you, I'll be very happy.
Thank you so much for sharing all your experiences with all the information. Thanks a lot. Thanks a ton.
Yeah.
Yeah, thank you, Dr. Saidi. I'm Sheetal Khurana here from Managersoft. I would like to sum up the entire inspiring journey of Sunita. And to start off, coming in from a typical Maharashtrian family and being a restless housewife, she got into an entrepreneurial journey where, with the support of her brother and of course with the support of her family, was truly inspiring. And when she started off with this journey of making femme and products and the bleach and stuff like that, she started with the bootstrapping technique of the business. And the main challenge that was to introduce bleach to the Indian women, which was really because nobody knows bleach and what it is and what not. and having a typical orthodox mentality of the Indian woman, it was very difficult and challenging for her as an entrepreneur to convince her product and make it to the market. So I suppose giving demonstrations going across India and educating people about the bleach was really one thing which I would say that she has put in her heart and soul in making the Indian women come out and show them their true beauty of the well-being of what a woman is all about. And later on, then she even took up great consultation with the scientists and the techie experts who in fact helped her in making a better product and to so that she can market it very well, and the consumers and the women are more happy and they can buy more from her. The basic strategy was the main strategy that I feel was the consumer feedback, because that's very important. So once you understand as an entrepreneur what a consumer or what a customer wants, you can truly innovate your product in the way it sells in the market, and you don't have to do any kind of efforts for marketing. Your product automatically sells because it calls for the need for the market. That's why I feel that that was the path that was taken care of, and it was well understood by a woman herself. Then because of this consumer feedback, it also helped her getting a lot of more products like the liquid soap and the oxy-bleach, stuff like that, which also helped her grow her business to a greater extent. And the main point to sum up the entire thing was the exit that most of the entrepreneurs we feel that how do we exit, and what is the point of time where we should be able to exit. That's the biggest the mind thing that goes on within the person. So the exit that she made, the choice that she made with the competition that was increasing from the MNCs was decided her to take this step. And now getting into a global market was her new challenge to come up into the global market and compete with a new enterprise. So I would like to provide a vote of thanks as well. So firstly, I would like to thank Sunita Ramnatkar for coming all the way from Bombay and being a part of this event and making it truly inspiring for all the people out here. Secondly, I would like to thank Namrata Sharma from Crayon Pictures, who introduced us, the TiE Pune chapter, as well as Sunita. Dr. Saili Gankar, she is the director of MIT School of Management, and she's on the MCCI panel for women entrepreneurs. I would like to thank Dr. Saili as well for facilitating this session. I would also like to thank the entire audience for making it to this session in spite of the Ganpati festival that is going on. So thank you so much for coming in. I would like to thank the Kirloskar chair, sponsored by Dr. Shantanam Rao Kirloskar chair, Dr. Abhyankar, for making this event happen. I would like to invite the entire audience for the next My Story session that is coming in on the 16th of September by Panendra Sama, the Red Bus person. I would also request everybody to fill in their feedback forms and submit it to Namita. As well as I would request everybody join TiE. It's a wonderful experience out here, listening to a lot of entrepreneurs and being a part of this organization. Finally, before I leave, there is a vote of thanks. We want to offer a memento to Sunita, which will be done by Mr. Mukhtar Tijani. I would request Mr. Mukhtar to offer a memento to Well, thank you all audience for coming here. Yeah, I would also like to thank and acknowledge Mrs. Kannal Kaukar. She is here in the audience today. So thank you, ma'am, for being a part of the event. We had a beautiful women entrepreneur session with her last time. So there she is, right in the corner. Thank you, ma'am, for coming.
Winston Churchill said of Clement Attlee in the British Parliament, Mr. Attlee is a very modest man. He has much to be modest about. I'm in the same boat as Attlee. I have much to be modest about. I shouldn't be here.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.